Okay, we were gonna make my egg sandwiches, but my husband wanted bacon on it. So, but for giggles, we wanted to know, well, since I don't have a MicroPro Grill yet, if you can cook bacon inside the breakfast maker. Watch this. Get 2 slices of bacon. Okay, so we got 1 slice here. And your second slice here. Sorry, my hands are greasy. Okay, then I go through the microwave. Put the lid on it because I kind of popped it off over here. Alright, now watch this. 1.5 minutes. 1 minute, add 30 seconds. Now watch. Alright, it smells so good. But here we go. Alright. Check this out. It's hot, so grab your pot holders, or as I use, the Tupperware microfiber towel. And you can go a little longer if you want them more crispier, but that was 1.5 minutes. And it was done. I did 1 piece at first, and I did like a 2 minutes, and I had to stop it within 1 minute, and it shrunk real good. But you could actually cook the bacon inside the breakfast maker, and if you're like me, I like keeping the grease so I can make my homemade gravy, country gravy out of it. So I'll be keeping the grease for that. So this thing is amazing. You can do so much with this thing. Wait, check that out. Cooked bacon. No more having it splatter on you on the stove. My favorite thing now. I don't have to worry about it anymore. Thank God. Thank you, Tupperware, for inventing this. It's my new best friend. Until next time, time to eat.